This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious Goya black beans. We begin by thoroughly rinsing 1 pound of Goya black beans under cold water. Soaking your beans is an essential step, as it drastically cuts down on cooking time and makes them easier to digest. Place the rinsed beans in a large bowl, cover them with about 3 inches of fresh water, and let them soak for a minimum of 8 hours or preferably overnight. Once your beans are soaked, drain and rinse them again. Now, let's create the aromatic base. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 medium diced onion, 1/2 of a green bell pepper diced, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté these vegetables gently until they are soft and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This step is crucial for developing deep flavor. Add the drained black beans to your sautéed aromatics. Pour in about 8 cups of fresh water, ensuring the beans are fully submerged. Next, drop in 1 bay leaf and add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, along with 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer. Cook until the beans are very tender, which typically takes between 1.5 to 2 hours. To detect potential leaks, apply a simple soap and water solution to all connection points on the regulator and valve. Look closely for the formation of bubbles, which will clearly indicate a gas leak. Additionally, listen carefully for any distinct hissing sounds that might suggest a leak from the regulator or the cylinder valve itself. Promptly addressing any leaks is essential for safety and efficient use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.